fun. Thought we'd go for a little ride tonight and show you some of the Christmas lights that they have up this year. Just want to wish everybody a happy holidays, and I hope you enjoy this ride. It's a little bit windy, so let's go. So this is the big Divine department store. They always have really pretty glitzy window displays. This is Dam Square. Let's just stop for a second and take a look. This is Dam Square. They have the big 22-meter Christmas tree up. We can go up to it a little bit, and it's right there in front of the Royal Palace. And this side is the Dam Square where the monument is, and the department stores on this side as well. But let's go down this way a little bit more and see if we can get a little closer look at this tree. Look how pretty that is. It's a big Christmas tree. And there's a view of Damrak. I wanted to show you guys a few of the lights in along the canals, like the Prinsengracht, Heinerengracht, and all that. So see if we can see anything that way. So we'll turn this way and see if we can spot any cool lights.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Cool. So we're going to cut straight across here and head up to the Jardin district. And look at these pretty lights. Here's some really pretty lights we can drive through. This is the 9 streets in the Jardin district. Isn't that pretty? These lights are really pretty.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
So that's the lights, and then there's the canals on either side. One side. So yeah, these lights are really pretty because they just go like curtains. But we'll ride down this way and head back towards the center. But yeah, when you ride through them, it's pretty trippy. Because it's just like lights and lights and lights. I love it. See, watch. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I love it. It's just cool. This is really pretty to me. Yeah, I don't think the camera does it justice. Maybe we can head back on Herrengat, so jump into that bike lane over here. This is the Herrengat because this has this little bike lane that goes opposite traffic. But it's so pretty because you get to ride next to the canal. I love it. There's some pretty lights right here. This department store has their store lit up with some Christmas lights up there. But I'll take you guys down Damstraat and show you guys and take a quick ride through the red light and see what's going on down there.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your so I'm offering a simple phrase.
So here's Damstraat. They have the pretty balls. Oops. They have the pretty balls up in the sky with the lights, and all the storefronts have lights. Usually it's so pretty, so festive.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Just gonna turn down this way and see if you can see the action going down the red light district.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Doesn't look like much is going on. Let's go down this way and go to Newmarket and cut back into the red light. So we'll just drive down here really quick and look at the big Christmas tree down here in Newmarket Square.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
So yeah, there's some lights going down this way. This is really pretty lit up street right down there. And then down on to the down this way, you see the big tree. They're selling Christmas trees right here, right here in Newmarket. So yeah, that's the red light district right now. We can cut down Zedek really quick. Show you the lights going down Chinatown. Passing the Buddhist temple. So yeah, this is Chinatown. We'll turn down this way and see what's going on in this part of the red light district. A quick stop over here, take a look. There's not much going on over here. It's pretty dead. The red light rooms are all closed, so there you can kind of see what's going on. There's a heart down there, but there's no lights really on. There's no rooms available. This side is just houses, and yeah, so we'll just ride down this way. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit around. Some Christmas lights. Again, I don't know how well it's getting picked up with the camera. It always looks better in person. So I hope you enjoyed that little ride. One more peek across this canal right here. The old church is over there. And down this way, the big church on that side. And yeah, so that's it. Call it a day here.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
This is basically the second day of the hard shutdown. And so pretty much everything's closed except for restaurants for takeaway service. A few coffee shops opened, but they have to close at 8. And so yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd show you guys the streets and the lights. This is Warmestrat, and with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to catch you guys in the next ride. All right, thanks again. Bye.